Plus Promotions. My name is Dylan. This video is basically kind of a run through of the scope of work that you're just after receiving from us. It'll kind of give you a bit of an explanation of what each area means. The starting process for the scope of work is we send you a questionnaire. You fill out that questionnaire, or you have already got a scope of work that you sent to us, and we come back to you and tell you how many hours it's going to take to complete that scope of work. Or the third case is that you've just sent us a link to your website and we've made a proposal, a quick proposal in terms of the hours that we feel are required to get your website to an optimal condition. Now, this is an a la carte situation. Not everything in the scope of work has to be done, but in the scope of work, there are recommendations there that are optimal to get your website to an optimal condition. The scope of work can be broken down into a couple of different areas. So there's the on-site hours, which would be the website itself. Each area that we're highlighting needs to be improved. These are the hours that are required to improve the areas that we feel are weak. Sometimes people need a full site rebuild. Sometimes their website just needs a quick facelift and some quick changes. Sometimes you're adding new applications to your website, or new tools and features that your website can give your customers. These are the type of things that will determine how many hours are required to get your website to an optimal condition. In the scope of work, we're outlining it very clearly in terms of this many hours to do this many things. If you're adding things as we go to the process, there will be additional hours. If there is an allowance for review. So if you see something that we've done that you don't like, we send you a draft. We allow you to review it. If we're at fault, we'll infinitely make the changes. But if you're constantly changing your mind in terms of the process, the hours can add up. I advise clients to trust the process and not become a web developer once we start the contract. The other areas in the scope of work will be the digital marketing areas. So you're looking at search engine optimization, pay-per-click marketing, social media marketing, SMO, social media optimization, email marketing. So in that SEO, there is a one-time hours or one-time line item that is labeling up your website correctly. So making sure your website's quick, making sure it's optimized for search engines, so that search engines will want to present it to your clients. The second feature of that is an ongoing SEO package. So in that, we are recommending weekly hours that we spend in ensuring that your website is getting to the first page Google for the specific keywords that you're looking to target. Every Friday we'll send you a report. We'll detail and outline the steps that we've taken to get your website to the first page. For each company, we're suggesting different hours. Those different hours are based on how competitive the market is, how difficult it will be to get the website to rank at the top page. These are areas that you need to consider. However, we're always open to working with you on your budget. So if we're proposing 15 hours to you and you're suggesting that we don't have enough money to do 15 hours, we can do 12 hours a week. We'll drop it down and we'll do 12 hours a week. Optimally, you will stay at 15. Whatever we're recommending to you, we feel like you should stay at that. But we are always open to working with our clients. For a PPC campaign, there's a fixed charge of the setup, and then 3 or 4 hours a week in terms of optimization with reports. It's 3 hours if you're not running a display or a shopping campaign. It's 4 hours if you are running display, shopping, those type of things. Social media. So depending on the scale, again, of the company, will determine how many hours. Normally it's 4 hours for 2 posts, and we manage your advertising spend. But if you're a very, very large, for example, a newspaper or a large organization that needs a lot more work, it can go up to 10, 12 hours a week ongoing SEO or social SMO, social media optimization. Okay. Depending on the scope of work or what we feel like you need will determine how many hours are required there. Email marketing, again, depending on how complex or how much how much you want to go into it, but a starting point is 1 email a week, designed and developed by us and sent out. That's 4 hours a week to do that, and manage the subscription list. So ensuring that you have relevant people signed up to the email campaign and that they're receiving the email at an optimal time. So that is the scope of work. It's something that you can view and have a chat with us about. In terms of priority, for me, I feel SEO is the priority for any company, followed by PPC. Then I would look at social media optimization, email marketing, in that order. Each area is vital for your business. You should do every single area. Not all companies are able to afford it. If you're tentative, if you're hesitant, if you feel like you don't trust us and you want to build a trusting relationship with us, start on PPC. Start on something that will bring conversion straight away. If you feel like you're committed long-term to your business and you want to see long-term results, start on SEO. Start on SEO and PPC, and then add bits as you go. As you become more profitable online, add to it. Different areas, different regions. We'll build a relationship with you where we'll send you out questionnaires. Those questionnaires will hopefully guide you and improve the process. If you have any questions, please give me a call, or look, any of your account managers can help you with any of your questions or any of your concerns. But I hope this video helps to shed light in terms of what is in the scope of work. What am I actually looking at here in the hours that we're sending you? So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.